but being only 15 feet away from each other is challenging their concentration.
Oh yeah, data. Gotta take the data.
I am breathing a little deeper, just trying to calm down, but the fact that we are practically on top of each other side by side is freaking me out just a little bit. Luckily, collecting data is distracting me.
It's a heady mix of data and danger. And after 10 minutes, it's time for the final formation.
Right now we are moving into position to set up for the conga line.
I hear I have the easy ride being up in front. I heard Tori and Grant have a little rougher time back behind me.
Yep, because as the planes take their places, it's clear this isn't going to be smooth sailing.
We just went from a nice, easy, smooth flight to a roller coaster ride. Because we are now flying through the other planes' rotor wash, and it's very turbulent. Oh, whoa, okay.
It's a rotor wash roller coaster in the name of fuel efficiency.
2 minutes in, we have 6.35 gallons.
But the turbulence of this test is making the others look tame.
And I thought line abreast was scary.